A revolution in healthcare is underway in the UK, following the next stage review of the National Health Service produced by Lord Aradazi and his team. The review sets out his vision of high-quality care for every NHS patient. But there's another patient in need of our care. Planet Earth is suffering from a severe case of human occupation, which means that if we're to make real progress in tackling climate change, modernising healthcare should not lead to more of this. Building permanent facilities not only generates an adverse environmental impact, it also fails to provide the flexibility that modern healthcare delivery needs. But this does. This is a sophisticated mobile operating theatre, part of the national fleet operated by Vanguard Healthcare. And these days, it not only helps modern NHS managers to solve problems, it can also help them to reduce their carbon footprint. Britain is home to the world's only national fleet of mobile operating theatres, recovery wards, endoscopy suites and clinics, all truly mobile and able to relocate to where the need is greatest. More than 100,000 NHS patients have already been treated on these units. Vanguard Healthcare takes its commitment to sustainability very seriously, and that commitment begins here at the ASGB factory in East Anglia, where they're made. Vanguard has developed a relationship with ASGB, aimed at reducing the carbon footprint of both companies.
You recover the heat from the air going out.
Senior ASGB staff sit on Vanguard's own engineering steering group. This group's task is to evaluate technologies which will improve the effectiveness and efficiency of equipment within the company. On the shop floor, engineers have made real progress in using reclaimed plastic as part of a strong and adaptable material that can be used to construct interior fittings. And energy-intensive incandescent lighting will give way to this, the new generation of low-energy LED lights, which are being integrated into ASGB designs. The very service that Vanguard Healthcare provides enables the NHS to reduce its own carbon footprint. Instead of having to construct a new permanent operating theatre, for example, or create a modular building off-site, both highly energy-intensive operations, these services are simply driven onto a spare piece of land, such as a car park, opened out, and after a thorough cleaning, are ready to receive patients. Mobile recovery wards offer the same advantages, and in fact both operating theatre and recovery ward can be easily combined on-site to create a fully fledged additional day surgery unit. So, once built, Vanguard Healthcare's units can be used time and time again, and in different parts of the UK, to provide patient care. Crucially, the land they stand on is also available for further use after the mobiles have moved on. In this way, it avoids the significant damage to the environment associated with construction in terms of energy use and pollution. It also means the unit itself can be used again and again elsewhere in the NHS. And in most cases, the land itself becomes available for use once more. Furthermore, these mobile theatres don't have any corridors or offices that require additional heat and lighting. And because the fleet can literally move care near to where the patients live, the NHS can reduce its own carbon footprint by delivering services closer to the community. Part of the solution for Gloucestershire NHS involved delivering operations for patients in Stroud right in the heart of the town itself, a green solution that found favour with the regional media.
a typical edge of town DIY car park, except this one's a bit different because you get your hammer and nails in there and your operations in there. We're going to follow one patient who's about to undergo surgery in the car park of a DIY store in Stroud.
Terribly convenient compared to having to go elsewhere. No parking problems, no worry about machines, no worry about timing. So that's excellent, and I think the facility is very good.
From its relationships with its suppliers through to the delivery of its services, Vanguard Healthcare is seeking to reduce its own carbon footprint and help others to reduce theirs. It has incorporated its own sustainability action plan as part of its mission, values and standards, is investing in sustainable supply chains, and is reducing environmental impacts by moving to sustainable energy sources. Throughout the UK, Vanguard Healthcare is working with the NHS to deliver flexible healthcare solutions as part of a sustainable future.